In this video, I will explain how you can make a thumbnail image for a gaming channel. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to Graphics Help. In this video, I will explain how you can make a thumbnail image for a gaming channel. Designing a thumbnail image for a PUBG gaming channel is getting more and more common these days. A lot of my friends keep asking me to design a thumbnail image for their channel, so I have decided I should make a video on this. So let's get started. First of all, press Ctrl+N, choose dimensions of your choice. I am going to choose 1280 by 720p. Rename it to whatever you want. I am renaming it to PUBG thumbnail. Press OK. Press Ctrl+0 to adjust the canvas. So first of all, you should have one image from the gameplay, from the recorded gameplay. I have got one. I'm going to drag and drop over here. Now press OK. Now there are a few things that usually people like to mention under thumbnail of their PUBG gameplay. Most people prefer to mention the number of kills they are getting. The other thing is the guns they have used in the image, and they also make sure to add one or two comments regarding the gameplay. So you have to get a basic idea from the image that you have been provided or you have taken from your own gameplay. So I have got this image from gameplay from one of my friends. First of all, I would like to mention the number of kills. I'm going to add 20 kills. And press OK. Use move tool to drag this text over here. Okay, I'm going to create duplicate. I'm going to remove kills from this layer and 20 from this layer. You will know in a while why I have created two different layers for this purpose. First of all, I would like to change the font style. I'm going to select Comic Sans. Looks okay. Also change the font of this layer as well. I would like to reduce the size. Let's make it to 140. Okay. Also change font size of this layer as well, 20 kills. Use arrow keys to adjust the position of this text. Now I will have to change the color. Instead of changing color, I will add gradients on these two layers. Double click on the right side of this layer and choose gradient overlay. I will also make sure to add stroke. First of all, I will choose stroke from here. First of all, I will choose a specific gradient, then I will change the color of stroke if necessary. I've got a huge collection of gradients. You can choose on your own, and you can also download them from the internet. Okay, looks okay to me. Now I will change the stroke color to yellow probably, yes. But I will increase the size to 5 almost. Looks okay. Repeat the same with the kills layer. Now press and hold Alt and drag from this point to the upper layer. What it actually does is it copies all of its effects from this layer to the other layer. So I will like to change its gradient. I will change the color of stroke from here, like red one. No, black one looks okay, but I think I should change this gradient as well. Okay, now I can change the color of stroke if I want. I think black is okay, but I will increase the size 20 kills. So I have mentioned the number of kills I got. Suppose I have got 20 kills in this game. I have mentioned this. Next thing is what kind of guns I have used during the gameplay. Like in this image, he is knocking out the enemy with AUG. So you can get the PNG image of the AUG gun from the internet. I have got this one. So drag and drop here. I would like to change its size a bit more smaller, perhaps. Looks okay. Now use a rectangular shape tool to simply add a rectangle. Change color from here. Drag it below this layer. Select this AUG layer and then Ctrl+T and then rotate this a little bit. Looks okay to me. Since in this gameplay he is using AUG with 3x scope, so I would like to add the 3x scope as well. Press and hold Alt+Shift to reduce its size proportionally. Then place it above the AUG and press OK. Create a duplicate of this rectangle layer using Ctrl+J and then use Move tool to drag this rectangle over this scope area. I would like to reduce its size a little bit. Looks okay to me. First of all, let's make it bold. I would like to add stroke of probably red color. Increase the size a little bit. So it is clearly mentioned. So since from the image it is visible that he is using AUG and 3x, I have mentioned the gun with the scope. I have mentioned the kills he has got in the game. So the next thing is whether you are playing in solo, duo or squad mode, you can mention that as well. Since he is playing duo versus squad, so I will mention 2v4, and you can also write duo versus squad as well. So I would like to copy the layer styles of this 20 kills to this 2v4 layer. Press and hold Alt key and drag from this point to this layer. Copy it. Now I would like to change the gradient color over here. Come back to the gradient layer and then choose gradient of your choice from here. Okay, it looks okay to me. I would like to change the color of stroke from here. Okay, I'm going to choose the white color. I would like to decrease its size to almost 4. Yes, 2 before. So basically you are almost done. What else you have to do is you have to write down an eye-catchy and engaging comment. So what I conclude from this is now use move tool to place this text on the required place. I would like to move this text to 2 layers, backspace, and then press enter. The space between these 2 text layers is greater, so I would like to reduce the space between these 2 layers. Press Ctrl+A to select all of the text, then click over here, then reduce the size from here. Looks okay to me. Now I would like to change the color to make it visible. I would like to add some gradients on this layer as well. Come back to this gradient layer and then choose a gradient from here. First of all, I would like to add stroke to make it visible. Now come back to the gradient layer and choose gradient of your choice. Now use move tool to drag this. Use custom shape tool. Now drag an arrow. Double click to change the color. Okay, first of all I have to change the color from here. I would like to change its direction, then press Ctrl+T and then right click over here and choose horizontal and then choose vertical. You can rotate and change its direction from here. I would like to make it a bit larger and compact. Now add stroke over here as well to visualize it properly. Change the color of stroke from here. Looks okay. Make it a bit bigger by increasing its size. I have to change its direction. You can also use other commands if you have any relevant idea in your mind. Otherwise you are done. You can also add comments of insane sniping, or insane duo, anything like that. Depends on the gameplay. Okay, to me. You can adjust its position from here. You can adjust it. You can adjust its position using the move tool. That's okay to me. I would like to decrease its size a little bit. Okay. Insane sniping or insane duo, you can mention whatever you have in your mind. So that's it. You're done with a thumbnail for PUBG gameplay. Hope you like this video. If this video helped you to learn something new, then make sure to like, share and don't forget to subscribe Graphics Hub. That's all from this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.